why the education system failed you, and what it should have taught instead. I'm not blaming teachers. Most teachers are doing the best they can inside a broken system. But let's be honest, you spent 12 years in school and nobody taught you the one thing that determines most of your adult life: how to manage money. You learned calculus, you learned history, you wrote essays about books you didn't even want to read, but nobody taught you how to build wealth, understand debt, or think about risk. And that failure costs people years, sometimes decades, sometimes their entire financial future. So let me show you exactly what should have been taught from day one. Part 1. What the system got wrong. School teaches you how to become an employee, get good grades, follow instructions, arrive on time, work for somebody else. But school rarely teaches you how to think like an owner, like someone who builds assets, like someone who understands that time is your most valuable resource. They tell you, work hard, get a good job, and you'll be fine. Reality? A good job is a foundation, not freedom. If you only trade time for money forever, eventually time runs out. Here's what they should have taught in high school. Your income is one variable, your savings rate is another, your investment return is a third. Together, those variables determine your future. Most people graduate without understanding that basic equation. And then there's compound interest. Maybe you saw the formula in math class, but did anyone explain what it actually means? Investing just $100 a month at an 8% annual return starting at age 25 could grow to over $1.2 million by retirement. Start 10 years later and the outcome changes dramatically. That's what should have been taught, not just formulas, but consequences. And then there's debt. Millions of young people leave school with enormous student loans without fully understanding interest rates, repayment structures, or how debt compounds against them for decades. Nobody teaches the psychology of debt, how it limits choices, delays freedom, creates stress, quietly steals future opportunities. Part 2. What should have been taught instead? First, money psychology. Not just budgeting, psychology. Why people overspend, why emotions control investing decisions, why fear and ego destroy financial progress. Understanding your behavior around money changes everything. Second, the power of savings rate. Not restriction, not deprivation. The understanding that the percentage of income you keep matters more than appearances. Someone earning $40,000 while saving 30% often builds wealth faster than someone earning $200,000 while saving almost nothing. Third, basic tax knowledge. How taxes work, how tax-advantaged accounts work, why financially educated people legally structure income differently. Taxes are one of the largest expenses most people will ever face, yet almost nobody is taught how they function. Fourth, risk and investing. Real risk, diversification, market cycles, long-term investing. People should understand that market downturns are normal, that investing is not gambling when done intelligently, and that time is one of the greatest financial advantages a person can have. Fifth, entrepreneurship school prepares people to apply for jobs, but building a business, freelancing, creating products, or developing ownership should not be treated like something special people do. Even a small business can change the trajectory of a person's financial life. Part 3. How you catch up now. Yes, the system failed you, but that does not mean your future has to fail too. Step 1. Understand that education is now accessible everywhere. Books, podcasts, videos, courses. You can learn financial skills faster today than at any point in history. Step 2. Realize time is still your advantage. If you start now, even small, compounding can still completely change your future. Step 3. Learn to control 5 numbers: your income, your savings rate, your investment returns, your debt, and your time horizon. Master those 5 numbers and you will understand more about money than most people ever do. My friends, here's the real lesson. The education system may have failed to teach you financial literacy, but you still have the ability to learn it yourself. Most financially successful people did not become wealthy because school prepared them perfectly. They became wealthy because they realized what was missing and decided to fix it. You can do the same. Starting today, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and take even better care of your money.